this is Komudu Silva from Colombo North. I joined in the year 2007, January 2nd, to the Colombo North branch as a just advisor, and today after 7 years I work as Assistant Financial Services Manager. That journey wouldn't become easy if I didn't get the good support from my manager especially and the other colleagues at HNB Assurance, especially in my branch, including the underwriting committee and every member there. And during this journey I was so lucky enough to gain so many victories with the help of them also. And my first victory was in the same year where I joined in 2007. So I was a newcomer to this industry, but still they helped me to learn everything, especially my manager and other members, about insurance. And then I won the second runners-up award in the best salesperson category in the same year I joined. And I'm very happy to tell you that also. In the year 2011, I was very lucky enough to be the best salesperson, and that was a special moment because that was the first event that a girl won, a lady won a best salesperson award. And not only that, that's the same year that I won the MDRT recognition, that is an international recognition. And I was so lucky enough to be the first MDRT member in the company and also to participate the actual meeting held in USA in 2012, Anaheim, California. So I think by winning that international recognition, I brought honor not only to my company and especially to my branch, Colombo North, because they were behind me at this every glorious moments. In the same year, in the year 2011, I was lucky enough to win the Gold Award in the NASCO Award ceremonies, where the Slim Institute is doing. And that is not among all the insurance members, but also among all the financial institutes and the banks also. So competing with them, I won the Gold Award, and I brought honor to my company especially, and also to Colombo North branch as well, because for that achievement also all the members were behind me, and not only my branch but even the head office members. And then talking about this year, so this year I think is the superb year for me, because within the first 6 months I was lucky enough to win the MDRT recognition again. So that is a fastest record in the company yet. Behind all my success, my branch was represented me, and everybody from the clerk to manager to my friends to everybody, they were really helped me. They were so nice and helpful to me, and their support was great and awesome. And I think I'm so lucky not even to win these awards, but to be a member even in Colombo North branch. And any achievement wouldn't be possible without Colombo North, that I should say. And there will be no Komudu without Colombo North.
Hi, I'm Thirukumar from Colombo North office. I had just completed my 10-year service in Colombo North branch. I have been nominated as a best salesperson consecutively 3 years, 2006, 2007 and 2008. The team leaders and group leaders and other field staffs also given a greatest support to me. I would like to tell the special thanks to our regional manager Mr. Hemanda Leyanage and head management also. I would especially thank to our underwriting department staffs also. They have given a biggest support to me come up to this level. Therefore, I am happy to participate in 10th year's anniversary.
Hi, I'm Malintika Pushpavela. 26 January 2007 was an unforgettable day of my life because I found my first job as an advisor in HNB Assurance. From 2008 to 2013, I was able to continuously achieve awards in HNB Assurance. 2011, I won my first Super Gold Award, and the same year I was able to achieve second runner-up award. And in 2012, again, I was able to achieve first runner-up award in HMB Assurance, and 2013 was another marvelous year in my life because I was able to achieve the best salesperson award in HMB Assurance, and the same year I was able to privilege by MDRT membership, and I'm really proud to say that I won the silver award in NASCO award ceremony, which is given by Sri-Lanka Institute of Marketing for the insurance category. In 2014, I was able to achieve the MDRT membership again. That is one record in HMB Assurance because we both achieved that MDRT membership early in the HMB Assurance, and I should thank to my branch manager and all my friends. You guys are really played a big role in my success. I'm very happy to be a part of this HMB Assurance Colombo North team, and I'm looking forward to perform best and give a best success for my branch and my company.
I'm so happy to be the manager of Colombo North. There is a multicultural people in my branch. During the last 10 years of period, we were able to achieve highest level of awards, especially contributing the highest GWP to the national level, and also we were able to produce 6 best salesperson out of 9 sales convention. So that is a big victory, as well as the first MDRT winner who went to USA representing HMB Assurance Colombo North branch. Actually, our people were able to achieve national level and international level awards like that, MDRT. Not only that, in national level, NASCO awards. So I'm so happy, really happy to have this kind of high caliber people in my branch. So HMB Assurance Colombo North is always one step ahead. We have planned with new improvisation to stand out from other branches.